The 1963 Plymouth Valiant stands as a bold chapter in American automotive history. Introduced as part of Chrysler's move into the compact car market, the Valiant first appeared in 1960, but by 1963, it had truly found its identity. Under the hood was the famous 170 cubic inch slant-six engine, an innovative design known for its durability, efficiency, and surprising strength. The car also featured unibody construction, a major shift from traditional body-on-frame designs, giving the Valiant a lighter, stronger, and more modern feel. On the road, the 1963 Valiant could reach speeds of up to 96 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 14.4 seconds, impressive numbers for a compact car of its time. With over 417,000 units produced in just 1 year, the Valiant proved its popularity. Today, the 1963 Plymouth Valiant remains a classic symbol of smart design, solid performance, and lasting automotive innovation.